Having a baby, yes, it's very nice, it's wonderful. Angel babies, flowing, smiling, pooping, peeing, making a mess. Babies. If you're ready for it, are you ready for it? Let's talk about it. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, what I'm going to be talking about is how to get pregnant. I know this is a very serious topic, but this is just based on my experience, okay? There is no such thing as right or wrong. It's a trial and error, I would say. So this is my experience, and I hope you learn something out from my experience. So when I started planning to get pregnant, I was 34 years old. So I am late in the game. I was really distant to get pregnant, but it didn't happen. So it was years of dedication. Then I get serious. Even though I conceived through IVF, I will still talk to you first on the normal process on how to get pregnant. Let's hear some facts. Women's eggs are already predetermined since birth, and there are 300 to 400,000 eggs. Age comes a big factor. The younger you are, the better chances you have to get the best quality of eggs. When you hit 30 years of age, these eggs will drop down to 50%, so the more you age, your preserved eggs will be getting less and less until you no longer ovulate, and that will be the end of your menstrual cycle. You ask the question, what are the steps that I did? These are just the guideline that I did, and here it follows. We are the owner of our body. I want you guys to know your body first. If you can detox, that's my #1 goal. You need to have a good eating healthy habits. We have different types of body, different likes, different strategy. So whatever suits you well, go for it, but detox, less carbohydrates and sugar, because that is really preventing us from good circulation, because sugar floats in the blood. That's why it's better to eliminate those so you can have a good flow. Yeah, the reason being for that is because your uterus lining, if you have a problem with that, if it's thicker or thin, that's a really bad problem. #2, you need to know your family history, okay? So know your brothers or your sisters. Check with them. What age did they get pregnant and how many babies did they have? Just to get an average how old when they started their family. And yeah, get an average out of that, and if you're in that age, go for it. But if not, then I guess you have to strive hard, and you need to do more better than them if you are not in the same age with your brothers or sisters. #3 is know your period or your cycle. For us girls, we have different types of body. Me, I was irregular, so it was kind of hard for me to check when I'm gonna get my period. And so I use an app here on your phone. There's so many fertility apps, guys. Download it, whatever that suits you or easier for you to read and understand, go for it. And make sure put all the details there in your fertility app. When did you get your period? What are your symptoms? Because the purpose of this is you really have to know your body. Doctors cannot even tell you. They will just advise you, but you are the one who knows your body. Please get all the list there. List all the things that you need to know about yourself over there. Over time, you would realize, and this is me, this is who I am in terms of my reproductive system. Next one is taking prenatal vitamins. I know, guys, prenatal vitamins is very important. Why is it important? It will help your reproductive system in preparation of getting pregnant. If you lack something in your body, then that vitamins would help you with that, so it balances out. If you are afraid to gain weight because of taking prenatal vitamins, it means you are not yet ready. You don't sacrifice your body for it. For me guys, I never really did my exercise at the time because I want my body to relax. So I did gain weight, and so it did help me when I did my test. Everything is good. My uterus lining is good, my ovaries are okay, good. There's no blockage, nothing. I am perfectly normal and healthy. The next step is going to be those strips that you can buy in the drugstore. It's costly, yes, but if you want to get pregnant, this is how much you are willing to sacrifice. It's really costly. You need to get the fertility kit, of course, and the ovulation kit, and also the pregnancy kit, right? So, and for the pregnancy kit guys, you can as well you can buy it in Amazon or eBay, so you can know your LH. So if you are irregular, things can be a little bit harder. After all is said and done, you did everything that I did tell you, and you ask the question, why still I'm not pregnant? If you do it consecutively for 6 months, if nothing happens, you did everything that you can, then now you have to talk to a OBGYN, okay? You need to go there and have yourself checked. I have seen 4 OBGYN already guys. When they talk to you, they will ask you, can you do the 6 months test first, consecutively by normal process, and come back to me after. You know, it's take a while, right? So I would suggest do it right now. It's good for 6 months, and then when nothing happens, then go see your OBGYN, and then tell them straight directly that I already did everything that I can, but nothing happened. Demand guys, demand. And then so you can do the process right away and tell them what you want. And for us, when we see the OBGYN, we wanted to do IUI, so that's what we did. So okay, and we did the IUI. We did all the blood tests, ultrasounds, taking a pill. I did it twice, but nothing happens. And also I did acupuncture to help my blood circulation. I did everything that I can to really prepare my body, but it didn't happen. Getting pregnant really is really a tedious work, dedication, effort. You need to spend more time, and emotionally you need to be prepared, because it's going to be a roller coaster ride. It's going to be up and down. You need to be tough at the same time. You need to think positive always. Don't get any negativity in your mind, because it will not help you. And visualize that you have a baby bump, you have a baby. Picture the face of that baby, and probably it will help you. It did help me. I think a lot of babies all the time, when I dream, when I sleep, when I wake up. This is just a very short talk. I'm gonna discuss some more in the future. I will be talking about, if you want me to talk about IUI, let me know. I will talk about it. So this is it for my video today. I know this is short. I hope you find something that you can use. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment or DM me on my Instagram, Beauty by Roche. DM me for that. Until next time, see you in my next video.